Hi, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another Lightroom Mobile tutorial. Today we're going to dive into a ocean filter. Here are some before and afters using this filter. As always, this ocean sample filter is available for free on our website. Check the link in the description below. Also, remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future Lightroom tutorials. Now, with all that out of the way, fire up your Lightroom mobile app and let's start editing. Alright, so we start on the light page again, and the exposure stays the same, but we boost the contrast by plus 35. Then we decrease the highlights by minus 85. We boost the shadows by plus 55. The whites remain the same, but the blacks are boosted to plus 23. Then we go over to the curves, which you can access in the top right corner, and make sure you create the points exactly how we make them on the screen. Now drag down the top right dot a little bit down and then go over to the red channel and create an S, just like we show you on the screen. Then create this exact pattern on all the channels, but tweak it a little bit until you like what you see. Alright, once you're done with that, you go over to the color page and then you decrease the temperature by minus 5 and you increase the tint by plus 7. That's it for the color page. Now head over to the color mix. On the red tab, the hue becomes minus 33 and the saturation we decrease to minus 11 and the luminance we decrease to minus 20. Then on the orange tab, the hue becomes minus 25. The saturation is boosted to plus 52. And then we go over to the yellow tab. Decrease the hue by minus 25 and decrease the saturation by minus 20. Then go over to the green tab, decrease the hue by minus 25 and decrease the saturation by minus 50 and decrease the luminance to minus 55. Then head over to the cyan tab and increase the hue by plus 30 and decrease the saturation by minus 15. Then go to the blue tab and increase the hue to plus 20 and decrease the luminance to minus 11. Then go over to the purple tab, decrease the hue to minus 17 and decrease the saturation to minus 11. Next, decrease the luminance to minus 12. Alright, next we're going over to the magenta tab and we decrease the hue to minus 12, the saturation to minus 20, and the luminance to minus 26. Alright, head over to your effects panel and increase the texture to plus 43 and increase the clarity to plus 20. And then dehaze the image a little bit to plus 20. And then head back to your color page and boost the vibrance to plus 51. And decrease your saturation to minus 38. And there you go. You've created a look for ocean pictures that is very, very smooth. So here are some before and after shots. Hope you like it. We do. That will wrap up things for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully it helped you out. If it did, like the video so more people can find this one and make sure to subscribe to our channel. And also leave your suggestions for future filters down in the comments below. Thanks for watching and until the next one. Yeah.